How to make money online in Pakistan. 1. Freelancing. 2. Content creator. 3. Affiliate marketing. 4. Digital skill. 5. Artificial intelligence. Freelancing offers flexible work arrangements, allowing individuals to choose projects based on their expertise and interests. It empowers professionals to manage their own schedules and work remotely, fostering a diverse and global workforce. Content creators craft engaging and diverse material across various platforms, including videos, articles, and social media posts. They play a pivotal role in shaping online culture, building communities. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services for companies and earning a commission for each sale or lead generated through one's unique affiliate link. It leverages the power of online influencers and bloggers to drive targeted traffic and boost sales, creating a symbiotic relationship between advertisers and affiliates. Digital skills encompass a range of competencies essential for navigating the digital landscape, including proficiency in software, data analysis, and online communication. As technology continues to evolve, cultivating digital skills becomes crucial for individuals and businesses to remain competitive and adapt to the digital era. Artificial intelligence refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks requiring human intelligence, such as problem-solving, learning, and decision-making. Machine learning, a subset of AI, enables systems to improve and adapt without explicit programming. AI applications range from virtual assistants and autonomous vehicles to advanced data analysis, revolutionizing various industries. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel.